The heaviest precipitation will occur this afternoon. Snow accumulations, 8 to 12 inches. Some sleet may mix in, especially south of Highway 36 during the afternoon hours. Impacts. Heavy snow will have significant impacts on travel. Thunder may accompany the snow, resulting in higher snow rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour at times this afternoon. Other impacts. Freezing drizzle may mix in at times this evening. A winter storm warning for heavy snow and sleet means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. A winter storm warning for heavy snow, sleet, and freezing rain remains in effect until midnight tonight. Timing, late this morning through this evening. The heaviest precipitation will occur this afternoon with sleet and freezing rain possibly mixing in. Snow/ice accumulations. Snow and sleet accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. Ice accumulations less than 1/10 of an inch possible this afternoon. The highest snow totals will be along and north of Interstate 70, with the highest ice totals to the south of Interstate 70. Impacts. Heavy snow, sleet, and ice accumulations will have significant impacts on travel. Icing is expected to be light enough to avoid any significant impacts to trees and power lines. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Be careful if you plan to use alternate sources of heat or electricity in your home. Observe all safety precautions to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, electrocution, or fire. Portable generators should only be operated outdoors in a dry and well-ventilated area. A winter storm warning for snow, sleet, and freezing rain remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. A band of moderate to heavy sleet and freezing rain will push east across the Missouri Ozark through mid-afternoon. Isolated and scattered thunderstorms can also be expected, which will result in very heavy BURSTS of sleet and small hail, along with poor visibilities. Sleet accumulation rates of over a ½ inch per hour can't be expected within thunderstorms. Additional ice accumulations between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. will range from a thin glaze up to a ¼ inch, with the highest amounts generally occurring along and south of the Interstate 44 corridor. The wintry mix will continue into early this afternoon before gradually ending from the west. A period of light to moderate snow is expected from later this afternoon into this evening across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and west central Missouri. Storm photo